We don't just consume media, we live inside it. From the news we scroll in the morning to the shows we binge at night, media shapes how we see the world, other people, and even ourselves. In early societies, stories spread through word of mouth, poetry, and religious teaching. With the printing press in the 15th century, information could travel faster and farther. Newspapers in the 18th and 19th centuries helped create national identities. By the 20th century, radio and television brought shared images into millions of homes, turning media into a powerful social institution. Sociologists quickly noticed this power. The Frankfurt School argued that mass media creates a culture industry that entertains people while keeping them passive. Marshall McLuhan famously said, "The medium is the message," meaning the form of media changes how we think, not just what we think about. Pierre Bourdieu showed how media shapes taste and reinforces social class. Stuart Hall explained how audiences interpret media differently depending on their background, but also how dominant messages still shape common sense. Media doesn't just reflect reality, it constructs it. It decides which stories matter, who is seen as a hero or a threat, and which voices are ignored. This connects to power. Noam Chomsky and Edward Herman argued that media often serves political and economic elites. Today, algorithms on social media platforms decide what we see, shaping attention, emotions, and beliefs. Globally, media systems often follow similar patterns because of corporate ownership and Western influence. Yet local cultures adapt media in unique ways. In some countries, media is tightly controlled by the state. In others, it is driven by profit and advertising. Either way, it shapes public opinion and social norms. Post-colonial thinkers like Edward Said showed how media representations of Arabs and Muslims continue colonial stereotypes. Gurminder Bamra argues that global media ignores colonial history while focusing on Western perspectives. Representation is never neutral. Muslim thinkers also warned about intellectual influence. Malik Banabi spoke of cultural domination through ideas and images. Ali Shariati emphasized the need for critical awareness so people don't absorb values unconsciously. Islam encourages reflection and responsibility for what we consume and share. Media is not just entertainment. It is education, persuasion, and power. The real question is not only what we are watching, but how it is shaping us. If media builds our reality, who is the architect behind the scenes? Like, share, and subscribe for more sociological insights that change how you see the world.